How to load paper in Canon Pixma TS5151. This printer has two paper trays. The front cassette is designed for plain paper only. To load paper in this cassette, stick your finger into the notch and pull the cassette towards you. Remove the cover from the cassette. Then grab the handle of the paper guide and set paper guides a little bit wider than your paper stack width. Also, you have vertical paper guide. Set it up to your paper size using these markers on the surface. Next, take your paper stack and put into the cassette. Align to the vertical paper guide and slightly press with horizontal paper guides to align. Then put the cover back and push the cassette into the printer. After this, specify your paper size using navigation arrows and OK button. Next, press down 2 times. Make sure register is selected and press OK. Rear tray of your printer you can use both for plain paper or photo paper. To load paper in the rear tray, unfold the paper holder and let it rest on its back. Then open this transparent holder, insert your paper stack and align with these blue paper guides. After this, close the transparent cover. For the rear tray, you can specify not just only paper size but also paper type. You can change the paper information anytime. To do this, stay on the home screen and use navigation arrows to select the gear icon. Then press OK. Select Settings and press OK. Select Device Settings, press OK. Then press the up arrow 2 times and select Feed Settings and press OK. Select Register Paper Information, press OK. And you can change your paper settings for rear tray and for front cassette. Thanks for watching.